So let's revisit again how the DAX engine works in the background by going back to that our Excel file and try to mimic what DAX is going to do. So first, we'll remind ourselves what the formula says. So the formula is for South revenue, and it is the sum of other sales where the region is South. Okay, so if I go back to the Excel file now, the first thing that DAX does is find out what we are reporting by. We are reporting, or we are filtering our report by region. So every other column is going to hide. So all columns go into hiding except region for now and sales. Those are the two columns we are working with. So hide all of these ones, then come and hide these guys and hide this one. So just leave only region and sales. So let's see for the first value for the central region, what's DAX going to do? DAX is going to come to the central region and filter the region here to central. Okay, so now we have central, and what's the formula doing? Formula is supposed to sum up the other sales for the South region, right? So now if we go back to that formula and we want to find out, you're supposed to now do a sum wherever I find South, but guess what? If I highlight all the way down, you will see that there is no South anywhere here because we just have central there, and that's why you can see a blank on that column. So the same thing appears for all the other regions because we have already filtered that table in our measure to show only for South, which means if you filter this region column now, you can't find South, so it's going to be blank.